Datmahseh.
Datmahseh.
Episode 2nd.
Season
2.
Yeah, big up on yourself, you know. Datmahseh. Subscribers, new subscribers. Because I'm thanking you for joining the team. Datmahseh. You know, Datmahseh is a platform we'll talk about any little thing that we find interesting.
Yeah, and as I said, for this mission, for this season, we are trying to educate, you know, every time when we come out. Because we have fun facts all over the place. Some people just not pay attention to them. So we'll come forward now for bring it to, you know. Hopefully it can start some discussions and some conversations.
Yeah, you can always remember I'm not going to leave with something.
Yeah.
Someone who some know it all probably know everything already, but some people, majority of the people, we sure not going to know everything.
Yeah.
So I'll share them with you. Before we continue, right? Me now, I'm on New Jersey, right? And you know, this is the all-time jersey. So, like me in the past, I'm actually living in the past. Because the present team, whoo!
Right.
Bugger headache.
Yeah, right.
Me I tell you right now.
Yeah.
Them for just pack them up and make them go. But me, speaking of living in the past, I have a story for share with people. There's this brother, so in the man there, make sure I grab my phone, because I don't know, live TV, live stream,
everything.
Yeah, so I show them the real levels. You have this brother, the man live in Europe, see, the man is a DJ.
Him by DJ, this jacket.
Yeah, man, and this jacket. And guess the man how much? Man, a 69. Then,
how was this jacket? How much are David Radigan again?
David Radigan, all like dirt, man.
Oh, so the money, man.
Big up Radigan anywhere in there.
Big up Radigan, yeah. Friend of the show.
Hi, this is David Radigan and you're watching Datmahseh.
We call them site when you link up
the
with
dating site.
Dating site.
Yeah?
Man said, nah, get no forward.
Why? Because I'm my age?
Man too old, G. So the man carried them to court, right? I'm trying to find the article now. The man said, man carried them to court.
Somewhere different to that
the
one.
Man serious. The man said, here what? So like how people want to change them gender, him can change him age.
Change him age?
Yeah, man. So him carry them to court for challenging date of birth.
Okay.
Yeah, man. For record in born 1949, right?
Yeah, so man
want change him. Man 69.
69.
So he want change him date of birth to 20 years later. So he can be 20 years younger.
So he want to be 49?
No, I want to be 49.
Oh.
So he presently 69 and he born 1949, but he want to change it to 69. Man say,
which country
this is somewhere in the Netherlands.
Oh, well, yeah. Them people are weird.
Yeah. So the name of the person who want to change his name is Emil Rittelband. Yeah, him say he want to change him years to be 20 years younger to improve his chances with women on the dating applications like Tinder. Yeah. Right? So he must say, yo, and I quote, you can change your name, you can change your gender. Yeah. Why I can't change your age?
And I feel I suffer under my age because I'm much more younger than my 68. So when I ask for a mortgage, for example, they say it's impossible. If I go on Tinder, you know, then I get women from 68, 69, when the women are there. And when I'm on Tinder, you know, then they say, okay, then you can lie for your age. You say you're 49. I don't want to lie. I want to be myself. So don't force me to lie. But when I'm really 49 again, I will have a baby again. I will buy a new car again. I will paint my house again. I'm going outside and I invest my money again. Because now I'm old man, you know, I have to save my money to give to my kids so they can live. But if I have that age again, I have hope again. I'm new again. And the whole future is there for me again.
So the man open up a can of worms now.
Yeah, the man don't go too far with changes.
Massacre Tune said, changes in life. Yeah. The man want change him date of birth.
Yeah. So apparently when him say I'm 49, him get more forward.
Him figure say, yo, if him status say I'm 49, he might get more woman log on to him thing, man. Because him say I feel like him all like him a 69. See? 69 feel too old for him.
So now for who we are talking about fountain and you see there,
When the man say, yo,
back your data,
the
bro.
man just as old as you think. The man say, we're gonna feel so. I like them to tell, change that.
Change that for
Change
real.
that right
After
now.
we feel like 69.
The man carry them go court. Boy. This is what one little change can do, because a man change them gender, woman change them gender, people change them name, people change them, you see.
All kind of things.
I never hear this yet. I say, yo, if you really know this, people just comment below. What do you think?
Yeah.
People can change them age, I quote the man there, you know.
So what you must say now, people are giving ageism.
Yeah, ageism.
Yeah,
The
ageism.
prejudice in dream all.
The man about
The man like
ageism.
it. Not gonna work. Done with that.
Yo, Emilia go hard, yeah, you.
Man,
But if you get through, you're one star.
Yeah, the man is a pioneer.
Yeah, when I have to believe in
Yeah, right
ourselves
now.
to get things done here. So.
Yeah, man, we rate him.
Yeah.
The man go for where he want.
Yeah, yeah, very rate that.
A big girl, I want him now.
You're boss. You're boss. Yeah. Check it out.
Check it out. I post a link to the article in the description.
Yeah.
So just check it and read it for yourself. And I make it up, please.
Yeah.
It sounds unbelievable, but that's true.
Yo, Datmahseh.
That man say.
Datmahseh, Datmahseh.